Today we are going to be folding back up the 20 by 40 high peak tent top. Hopefully this video isn't too contentious. I know sometimes in terms of technical things, people have really particular ways of doing it and very heavy opinions. This is just how we've been doing it for years. It really hasn't caused any issues. I actually have been told that as long as you keep folding it the same way consistently each time, that's kind of the most important thing. Okay, we're going to be folding the 20 by 40 right now. So of course we need to take the tent top off of the frame. So you can use a crowbar, or there are tools that you can buy that let you do this. But it's fairly easy with a crowbar. Just be gentle on that strap, otherwise it'll tear. Then we're going around and making sure the fascia is off of the corners. And kind of tucked into the tent like that. So a quick tip, you can either tuck the fascia like this or like that. We tuck the fascia like this because as we fold this, it's gonna fall like that naturally. And now we fold this to the middle. Now there's various ways of doing this. I was told as long as you're doing the same thing each time, and then I think I'd fold this one first. Wait. As long as you're doing and the reason is because you're closer to it, and you fold this and it's easier to walk there instead of walking back. So we tuck it twice to the middle. The top, there's more material on the top, so it kind of bunches up. And that's okay. I mean, you can't really do anything about that. Again, fascia is tucked. We also put the strap, we try to keep the strap on the fascia rather than the top, because sometimes like buckle makes the tent rust. And again, fold to the middle. You see there's a tarp here protecting everything. The tarp is above the wires. And then what we do is fold one of these middles onto the other one. So I'll grab a corner two to give it a hand. And we tuck. And then we're going to kind of pull it apart a bit. Just a tad. You can see it's looking okay. And now we're gonna fold it one more time, probably from that corner. I'm gonna go in the middle and give it a hand too. You see, now it's ready for rolling. It's protected by a tarp underneath. And from here, we simply roll it from one of the ends as tightly as humanly possible. Okay, then Jordan preps the tent top protective cover. And essentially, this falls right into the middle. And it is ready for strapping. We strap the corners first. Now, this one's missing a ton of straps.
but that's okay. So we put the side straps in. Now your tent might come with a different protective cover. Cover it there.
Okay, well.
All right, so yeah, we just bunched this up into the tent top cover. And there you go, a 20 by 40 all nicely rolled up and ready for its next job.